Welcome to Scout Automobile. The 2026 Ferrari Roma is more than just a car. It's a living, breathing embodiment of Italian elegance, high performance, and unmistakable style. Ferrari has always had a way of creating machinery that stirs emotions. And with the Roma, that feeling is stronger than ever. It captures the essence of the brand's legendary GT spirit while pushing the boundaries of what a modern Grand Tourer can be. The 2026 Roma takes everything that made the original model captivating and turns the volume way up, creating a more refined, more powerful, and more driver-focused experience. Visually, the Roma remains a masterclass in sleek Italian design. But the 2026 model brings subtle updates that enhance its sophistication. The signature front grille is now more sculpted, with active aero elements seamlessly integrated for both form and function. Slimmer LED matrix headlights offer a sharper gaze, and the rear sports a more pronounced diffuser and quad exhaust setup, emphasizing its sporting intentions. The silhouette is pure elegance, long, low, and flowing with a stance that seems to whisper speed even when parked. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari Roma continues to house the heart of a true performance beast. The 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine has been refined to produce an estimated 700 horsepower, a notable increase from its predecessor. This power is rooted through an evolved 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts that blur the line between man and machine. Ferrari has also refined the torque curve, ensuring power delivery is smoother and more immediate. Across the rev range, performance figures are as thrilling as expected. The Roma launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed that nudges past 325 kilometers per hour. But it's not just about raw speed. The car is equally tuned for balance, handling, and grace. Ferrari's latest side-slip control 7.0 system works in harmony with the revised chassis and suspension, offering unprecedented grip and control without compromising comfort. Whether carving through a mountain pass or cruising along the coastline, the Roma feels equally at home. Step inside the cabin, and the Roma welcomes you with a blend of luxury, technology, and meticulous craftsmanship. Ferrari refers to it as a 2+ interior, suggesting 2 full seats and 2 occasional use rear seats. The dashboard design is beautifully symmetrical, wrapping around both driver and passenger, emphasizing the Grand Touring philosophy. A revised 16-inch digital instrument cluster displays everything from performance data to navigation, while the 8.4-inch vertical infotainment screen between the seats offers climate, media, and comfort controls. New for 2026 is an updated version of Ferrari's human-machine interface. It includes a refined haptic feedback steering wheel with better responsiveness and less accidental input. Voice controls, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates now come standard. Materials have also seen an upgrade, with more sustainable leathers, recycled carbon fiber trim, and custom interior themes now available to tailor your Roma exactly to your taste. The driving position is perfectly judged low, sporty, and surrounded by premium surfaces. You feel connected to the car, the road, and the experience in a way few other Grand Tours can replicate. Unlike some of Ferrari's track-focused models, the Roma doesn't try to intimidate, it invites. It encourages long drives, high-speed cruising, and the occasional spirited blast. But don't be fooled by its refined manners. This is still a thoroughbred. Ferrari underneath it all. Technology is another area where Ferrari has made strides with the 2026 Roma. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring are now integrated discreetly, adding peace of mind without detracting from the purity of the drive. For those who prefer to take full control, these features are easily adjustable or completely deactivatable. What truly sets the Roma apart, though, is its soul. In a world increasingly filled with electric vehicles and synthetic driving experiences, the Roma is a love letter to classic motoring, reborn through modern innovation. It sounds glorious, handles intuitively, and looks like rolling art. Even the optional exhaust tuning package adds a deeper, more resonant soundtrack that reminds you why Ferrari continues to lead the pack in emotional driving experiences. Customization options are nearly endless. From bespoke color choices to handcrafted interior touches and performance upgrades, each Roma can be built to reflect the personality of its owner. Ferrari's tailor-made program continues to expand, offering clients one-on-one design consultations to make the Roma a true one-of-one. In the end, the 2026 Ferrari Roma isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle, a statement, and a celebration of everything that makes driving an art. It's a car that looks as good in the spotlight of a downtown boulevard as it does parked in the hills at sunrise. It bridges the gap between luxury and performance with flawless execution, giving enthusiasts a vehicle that can thrill and soothe in equal measure. With this new Roma, Ferrari once again proves that true beauty and raw power can coexist. It's elegant but wild, modern yet timeless, and ultimately one of the most compelling grand tours ever produced.